The oceans, 71% of the Earth's surface. Their vast, cool emptiness absorbs more than 90% of the heat trapped by our greenhouse gas emissions, principally carbon. But we are breaking the seas.
Since 2015, we've had the hottest 5 years on record. That is the hottest 5 years humans have ever recorded. And so this isn't just coincidence or happenstance. This is actually a trend. It's the equivalent of 5 or 6 Hiroshima bombs going off in the oceans every second of every day and night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year.
The world's oceans are now warming 8 times faster in the past 25 years than in the previous 25. This very graphic graphic charts warming seas from 1940 on the left, moving to around 2000 when the average warming level is first exceeded, and onwards and ever upwards till now. This data was published just this week in the Advances in Atmospheric Sciences journal.
If you look at the year-to-year or decade-to-decade temperatures, they are just going up.
And here's why it matters so much. Oceans are the engines of our weather. Heating them alters weather patternings globally, deepening extremes of drought, hence the catastrophic fires from the US to Russia and to Australia. And it's causing more powerful storms and floods. This was Storm Desmond in Cumbria 5 years ago. And this summer, we saw a record number of Atlantic tropical storms.
The more you warm the water, the more dramatically that moisture content increases.
And just this week it was revealed that Turkey's 3 biggest cities, including Istanbul, ravaged by drought, could run out of drinking water in a matter of weeks. Moreover, within the oceans themselves, heating is an ecological time bomb. From killing and bleaching out coral reefs, like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, to the hidden killer, heating surface water interferes with cold water welling up vital nutrients from the deep. And of course, heated water means expanded water, meaning sea level rise. We're on course for a 1 meter rise in global sea levels by the end of the century, threatening tens of millions of people.
We've got 10 years to bring carbon emissions globally down by a factor of 2.
It is true, COVID has caused a record 7% fall in our carbon emissions. But that's nothing in the scale of global oceanic heating. It won't even register against the enormity of what our carbon output is now doing to our oceans, and so to our weather, and so to our marine life, and so to our coasts, and so to us.